Kung ano yung makikita nyo guys dito, yun talaga yung camera dyan. Walang edit-edit yun guys.
I lose control when you look at me like this. There's something in your eyes that is saying tonight I'm not a child anymore. Love is open the door to a
Sa YouTube talaga ako nakapokus guys sa pag-upload. Kaya kung gusto nyo makita yung mga ina-upload ko, yung mga gandang lugar, mga gandang tanawin, nandito lahat sa YouTube. Boy Travel Moto Vlog.
Don't look at me like this. There's something in your eyes. Is this love at first sight? You're like a flower that grows, not just wants you to know all the secrets of life.